Here at Gordon Electrical Services, under our maintenance contract, we are responsible for emergency light testing and repairs on a large hazardous area industrial site. A permit to work is required before carrying out any repairs. Our signage clearly states permit number, personnel working, circuit isolated, date and time. Prior to commencing work, we carry out the safe isolation procedure. When working at height, we will always wear a safety harness. Our repairs include lamp, ballast and battery changes. We are also responsible for changing defective EX light fittings and EX glands. After the job is complete, we always leave site clean and tidy. After work is complete, we re-energise the circuit.